The following is a presentation of the Elenian Chronicle. Please find autopics at www.elenian.com.
Hello everyone and welcome. I'm so glad to welcome you again on the Elenian Chronicle for a very important topic today: how to initiate change in your life. And this is a great topic in this current period of big transformations. So how do you know if you need to change something and if you need to initiate change in your life? How do you know that? One simple question. How much are you satisfied? How much are you satisfied today of your current way of living, of your current life, of your current day-to-day life? How much are you satisfied by your current relationships, by your professional situation, by your familial atmosphere? How much are you satisfied by your life, by who you are, by how you behave, by how you interact with people around you and with your own life, let's say? How much are you satisfied? This question is very simple. If your answer is not 100% satisfied, absolutely 100% satisfied, if this is not your answer, then it means that you wish some way, you would like that something is improved and that something changed in your life. Okay? So if you want something different, if you wish something is different in your day-to-day life, and if you want something to improve, then you want to change something in your life and you want to initiate change in your life. In order to allow any improvement to enter your life, you have to open the door. You have to initiate change in your life. And this is also confirmed by a quote of a famous international bestseller author, Brian Tracy, when he says that if you want things in your life to change, you have to change things in your life. If you want things in your life to change, you have to change things in your life. It seems simple, said like this. And how far do you understand? How much do you understand concretely and really what this means? This phrase, this sentence is very, very strong and deep in its meaning. If you want things in your life to change, which means if you want something different, if you wish something improves in your life, if you want maybe better relationships, better health, or a better professional situation, or whatever, if you want something to improve in your life, it means that you want something to change in your life, okay? And in order to get that, you have to change something in your life. Maybe not related to the same topic, but you have to change something in your life. You have to initiate change in your life. And thus to open the doors to anything you want to come into your life. And so I have a very simple and very effective technique to share with you today to initiate change in your life very simply and in a very quick way. Okay? So the idea is very simple: to choose an object or an element as small as possible, something very, very simple in your day-to-day life, and to change or modify it. It may be the way you use your keys, the keys you are using every day, you know, your cars, for your cars or for your home, and you change something in it. And it can be to move the towel in your kitchen or in the bathroom. Change its place. It may be to change the place of your shoes in your house or of your handbag. Why not? Or it can be to change the color of anything you are wearing. It can be to change an ingredient of what you eat on a day-to-day basis. Anything, but very, very simple, something very small, something very small and very easy to modify. But something that you will see and use or hear or feel every day, really on a daily basis. And by changing this very small thing in your day-to-day life, you will see how profitable it is for you and for your whole life. Because each time you will be in front of this very small thing, which is now different, it will give the different information to you. And so this little change will start to put in place a certain dynamic, a certain new way of thinking and feeling in your life. It's a very simple first step, but it opens the door to anything you want. Maybe if you want big transformations or big improvements in your life, you will need to make more decisions and to be strongly engaged in things that you want to put in place in your life. But in order to do so, you have to first open the doors. Because if the doors of your life are not open, how can any improvement enter your life? So you have to open the doors. And in order to do so, you just have to select, define, choose something funny maybe, and change it. Change it. And you will see then, you will feel, you will start to hear differently what happens in your life. And so you will have initiated change in your life. So today, nothing to read, nothing to study, nothing to think about for a long time. One thing to do. Only one thing to do. Choose a very small thing to change in your day-to-day life. Only this. One thing to do. To change a very small thing in your life. And so I really wish you choose your element, your object to change today and before tomorrow. And I wish you dare to use this technique in order to benefit from the results. And above all, I wish you all the best.
This has been a presentation of the Alenian Chronicle. Please find more information at www.alenian.com.